Merry Christmas, everybody. I'm meteorologist Pete Mangione. So for Christmas, we are going to see a pretty gusty day. We'll talk about the snow factor in just a second, but as we work through Monday, you'll notice that these winds really start to ramp up, potentially gusting to around 50 miles an hour late this morning through this afternoon. You can see those gusts between 45 and 50. Wouldn't be surprised to see a few gusts actually over 50 from Westerly, Narragansett, Newport. And right in this section here, some isolated tree damage and power outages are possible. And it's really going to be windy everywhere. You could see some gusts even close to 40, 45 miles an hour in the capital city, up through inland areas. Even at 5 p.m., still pretty windy, gusting between 30 and 40 miles an hour, eventually calming down this evening, but it will take a while for that to happen. Now, in terms of our snowfall futurecast, we're going to be on the lookout this morning for one final burst of snow, and we're talking about potentially visibility dropping briefly, a quick coating, even an inch or two on the ground, especially north and west of 295. Again, this would be from about 8, 9 o'clock in the morning through the very early afternoon, even a slight chance of some thunder snow. I do think most of this action stays north, but we'll keep a close eye on this for you. And then as this pushes away, we should bring out some sunshine during the afternoon. But like I mentioned before, it will be windy sun, not calm sun. Looking at this from a wider perspective, the reason for all this happening is that once we get to late this morning, this is around 10 o'clock, some colder air starts to push in. When you have colder air on the top of slightly milder air, that can produce some lift and also a lot of energy in the atmosphere. So you could see this comma shape of snow trying to plunge down. The question is, do we have enough moisture left as the storm pushes away? That's the close call about this situation, but you can see it does try to wrap into at least northern areas and then finally pushes away on this afternoon through this evening. So sort of to wrap up your Christmas forecast and a Christmas present here, we're talking about 6 o'clock in the morning, actually mostly rain. So, you know, rain mixing with snow, likely just kind of a sloppy morning, but the chance of a little more snow on Christmas Day, again, late in the morning through the afternoon, and then by 3 o'clock we are looking at sun and wind. High temperatures on Christmas here, looking at upper 30s to around 40 degrees. Anytime the snow is coming down, that could obviously drop the temperature quickly. And then late tonight through Tuesday morning, you could see those temperatures going back into the 20s. So all in all, looking at about a coating to an inch of snow for a lot of the viewing area, not much along the south coast because of the rain factor, and 1 to 2, even 1 to 3 potentially here north and west of 295. And a lot of this, I think, will be due to that potential final burst of snow, 2 to 5, even 6 inches possible as you head north towards the Massachusetts Turnpike, Vermont, and New Hampshire. So 7-day Futurecast shows that much colder pattern on the way. You can see teens for high temperatures by the middle of the week and the chance for snow by the weekend.